The weight of a trailer tongue is concentrated at the hitch ball, creating a lever with the rear axle of the tow vehicle as the fulcrum. Not only does this push down on the rear of the vehicle, but it also lifts up on the front axle as well, which creates ride and steering problems. Husky's round bar weight distribution hitch more evenly distributes the weight over the length of the tow vehicle and the trailer, resulting in a more level ride with better stability, improved braking, less strain on the tow vehicle and trailer, and it increases the tow capacity of the vehicle up to the maximum allowed by the manufacturer. Husky's round bar weight distribution hitch gets the job done with an upgraded classic design. The head is engineered for reduced installation time and allows easy access to the hitch ball shank. A sway control ball can be easily installed on the built-in platform. The unit accepts spring bars with a variety of capacities, which means you can use the same hitch head for several trailer sizes. The lift brackets on the Husky's round bar weight distribution system allow safe and easy hitch hookup. Each spring bar fits the left or right side of the hitch head, and all assembly hardware and chains are included. Husky's round bar weight distribution hitch system is finished in black baked-on polyester powder coat for superior rust protection, and it comes with a 5-year limited warranty. Your vehicle manufacturer says your rig needs to have a weight distribution system to take full advantage of its maximum tow capacity. Husky Towing products can hook you up with the very best in round bar weight distribution systems.